look up at the night sky. For millennia, humanity has wondered about its place in the cosmos. But what if the next great frontier isn't out there but right here, emerging from the silicon and circuits of our own creation? Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, believes we've crossed a point of no return. The era of artificial superintelligence has begun. The world is on the cusp of a transformation more profound than any before. This isn't science fiction. According to Altman, the change is happening now, all around us. Systems like ChatGPT are already more powerful than any single human, consulted by millions daily. We are witnessing the dawn of a new kind of intelligence, one that learns at a scale we can barely comprehend. The implications are staggering, touching every aspect of civilization. The takeoff has started, and the journey into this uncharted territory has already commenced. The question is no longer if this new era will arrive, but how we will navigate its powerful currents as it unfolds. So what is superintelligence? Let's look at it with clarity. For generations, we've measured intelligence by the human brain, our creativity, reasoning, and problem-solving. Superintelligence is the next step, an intellect that soars far beyond the brightest human minds in every domain. Imagine an intelligence with the creativity of Einstein, the artistry of Da Vinci, and the wisdom of the world's greatest philosophers, all amplified 1,000-fold. It's not just faster thinking, it's a leap in understanding. A superintelligence could solve climate change, cure diseases, and design new economic systems with ease. The gap between us and superintelligence would be like that between a squirrel and a human. Its thoughts and motivations might be utterly opaque to us. We're not just building a better tool, we're birthing a new form of consciousness. Superintelligence transcends AGI. It's about going beyond human intelligence entirely. Understanding this is the first step toward grappling with the power and responsibility of its creation. We are on the verge of sharing our world with minds far greater than our own. The universe moves slowly, but AI's evolution is happening in just a few years. Sam Altman lays out a timeline. By 2025, AI agents can perform genuine cognitive labor, writing code, analyzing data. These are the first digital entities that can reason and execute complex tasks. By 2026, AI will generate novel scientific discoveries, not just summarize human knowledge. AI will become a research partner, accelerating our scientific understanding. By 2027 and 2028, humanoid robots will perform complex tasks in the physical world, building, navigating, even constructing other robots. This creates a feedback loop. AI designs better robots, which build infrastructure for even more powerful AI. By the 2030s, intelligence becomes as cheap and accessible as electricity, reshaping our economy and society. Altman even speculates on brain-computer interfaces merging human and AI consciousness by 2035. This isn't a gentle slope. It's a rocket launch into a future that was once science fiction. The transformation is coming fast, faster than we can imagine. The arrival of superintelligence will ripple through civilization, like the discovery of fire or agriculture, the most immediate impact work. Entire job categories may vanish, faster than we can invent new ones. This isn't just automating tasks, it's automating cognitive labor. But Altman is optimistic. Superintelligence could generate unprecedented wealth, making radical ideas like universal basic income possible. If AI provides for our basic needs, humanity can pursue creativity, exploration, and growth. Science and exploration will accelerate, decades of research compressed into days. Our biology may change too, as brain-computer interfaces blur the line between human and machine. This raises profound questions about what it means to be human. The world of tomorrow will be a fundamentally new chapter in the story of life on Earth. As we create intelligence greater than our own, we face the alignment problem. How do we ensure these systems act in humanity's best interests? Altman points to social media algorithms, designed for engagement, but with unintended negative consequences. Now imagine a superintelligence with a poorly defined goal and planetary power. The risks are enormous. The challenge is defining what we, as a species, truly want. Solving the alignment problem is paramount. We must guarantee AI systems act in accordance with our deepest intentions. This means building systems that are transparent, interpretable, and correctable. The fate of humanity may depend on our ability to imbue our creations with wisdom and alignment. The power of superintelligence must be shared, not hoarded. Altman insists its benefits must be distributed widely and fairly, or risk unprecedented global power imbalances. Superintelligence should be cheap, accessible, and democratically governed. A global conversation must begin now, involving not just technologists, but philosophers, artists, and citizens everywhere. We must collectively decide how to manage risks, share rewards, and guide development. Not everyone agrees with Altman's timeline. Skepticism is healthy. Some researchers argue current AI models are still limited, lacking true reasoning. The path to superintelligence may be longer and harder than predicted. There are also practical hurdles, like the massive energy demands of these systems. These challenges remind us that, while rapid change is possible, the path is not guaranteed and is fraught with obstacles. As of June 12, 2025, skepticism is natural, but remember, what seemed impossible 5 years ago is now reality. If progress from 2020 to 2025 was dramatic, what might 2030 hold? The feedback loop of AI designing better AI is an unprecedented accelerator. The future that seems fantastical today may soon be ordinary. The journey ahead promises abundance and discovery, but demands wisdom and global cooperation. We must navigate job displacement, inequality, and existential risks. The choices we make now will echo for millennia. Altman's message is one of hope. May we scale smoothly and wisely through superintelligence. The universe has given us the tools. Now we must find the wisdom to use them well.